There are streets in Calgary where life moves a little differently, where the only cars you see belong to the people who live there. At the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, you'll find one of them. Silver Ridge Court. Welcome to the Silver Sanctuary. A beautifully updated home in one of Calgary's most established Northwest communities where mature trees, timeless character, and thoughtful renovations come together effortlessly. The main floor was designed for everyday living. Bright, open spaces flow naturally from the living room to the dining area and into a beautifully renovated kitchen that's as functional for family life as it is for entertaining. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a quiet retreat. A private balcony overlooking mature trees, a peaceful place to start your morning or end your day. Living in Silver Springs means having Beaumont Park almost at your doorstep. Kilometers of pathways, river access, and some of Calgary's most beautiful natural scenery. Ready whenever you are. From one of Calgary's last outdoor community pools to parks, schools, and an active community association, this is a neighborhood where people don't just live, they stay. And then there's this location, quiet, private, tucked away at the end of a cul-de-sac. It's the kind of setting that becomes harder to find with every new community that's built. Silver Springs is not a neighborhood you just stumble upon. It's one people choose for the lifestyle, the setting, and the sense of community. If you've been searching for all three, this home is ready to welcome you.